I think I'm working on the steepest hill in Reading. And look how much I got to build up the side there to do it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to repair this Masonry wood window sill. And there it is. So what have I got? I've got the 5-in-1, and I've got a bag taped here so I can get the stuff to go inside the bag rather than, well, some of it will go down. To do this upper window, I'm going to have to get a piece of wood so that I can span that gap to get the top part. I think my ladder might just make it. I'm tied to the fence, so I can't move. It's a really nice secure spot. So really now it's just a matter of getting rid of the and I think if it's any rough at all, I'll just get my hot air gun out and be very careful not to melt the window. But all that sealant's gonna come out, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit. So the only thing I can do is just get to it and hope for the best. Maybe this is where I should talk more while I'm working, because I can hold one hand here. What are we talking about though? Oh, well, what I do when I get done talking to you guys, I turn on the YouTube, because I got an unlimited free network card, so I can listen to as much data as I want. So I listen to YouTube videos, and it's the same old story, a lot of it. I'm looking for new information, and there's not any new stuff, but there's plenty of old stuff from different points of view, I would guess. I'm pretty much a believer. There's a little tiny bit of me that says it's fake or whatever, it's not real, but it's only a tiny bit. And it's just mind-boggling that more people haven't come to that realization. And the government's had this secret for like 50 years, 60 years now, maybe even 70. In the 40s it started. First time was Roswell, New Mexico. That's what. Oh, look at that big hunk coming off. Ooh, nice. Big job there. Got right in the bag too. Is that good? So I think it's just going to be that middle spot right there. That's really bad. So I don't think I can hold the hand and do this at the same time. So there we are. Here I am up the ladder.